Hallo Leute! Heute lernen wir ein bisschen über Adjektivendungen und wie und wann wir die benutzen. So, wir fangen an mit Adjektivendungen nach der Wörtern. So, zuerst, die Frage ist, wann gibt es keine Endungen? Hier ist ein Satz. Will drives quickly. Auf Deutsch man sagt, Willi fährt schnell. Schnell und quickly sind beide Adverbien. Und Adverbs haben keine Endung. Hier ist ein zweites Beispiel. Willi ist fast. Auf Deutsch, Willi ist schnell. Here, schnell does not come before a noun. Therefore, it is a predicate adjective. Anytime you see the form of the verb sein or werden, it will not be followed with an adjective with an ending. Okay, gehen wir ein bisschen weiter. So, die Frage ist, wann gibt es eine Endung? Wir haben hier der Satz, my brother is the fast driver. Auf Deutsch, wir sagen, mein Bruder ist der schnelle Fahrer. Hier ist ein zweites Beispiel. He has the fast car. Auf Deutsch, wir sagen, hat das schnelle Auto. Both of these examples are adjectives that are attributive adjectives. They're adjectives that come in front of a noun. Therefore, they take an ending that reflects the number and gender of the noun behind. Wir gehen ein bisschen weiter. Okay, so wir haben attributive adjectives. So, right before a noun, they need an ending, just like we just went over. Okay, now the main thing to remember is that the adjective endings are going to vary with the noun's case, gender, and number. So if I have a masculine word in the dative case, my ending will be different than if I have a feminine word in the nominative case. Okay, so the article is right now really important for us because it's going to give us a clue as to what case the noun is in, as well as what the gender of the noun is. So we're going to start today by just looking at der word endings. So what der words do we know? So wir haben der, die, das, wir haben dieser, jeder, welcher, mancher, solcher, jener. Yeah, so all of those words are der words. So they're all functioning the same way. So why are they der words? Because they take the same endings as der, die, or das. So if I have die Frau, der Mann, I would have diese Frau, dieser Mann, or welche Frau, welcher Mann. Okay, so lass uns jetzt ein bisschen weitergehen. Let's look at our endings after der words. Okay, so using your gelbe Tabelle that you have in front of you, I'd like you to fill out a chart. So for nominative masculine, you're going to have an E. For neuter nominative, you're going to have an E. For feminine nominative, an E. And a plural, an EN. If you notice when you're going to accusative case, the only one that will be changing is masculine. That's no different than what we're used to with our der ending, with our der words, where der changes to den. Right? And dative, everything is EN. The nice thing with this set is it's going to be our easiest one because we only have two options between E and EN. Okay, so wir werden jetzt ein bisschen üben. So let's look at this example together. Okay, so here wir haben der Satz, das Schwein ist. The pig is. So I'm going to choose an adjective from my list and I'm going to say something like, das Schwein ist fett. Okay, now I want to say the fat pig is eating. So I need to put an ending on Schwein, on the adjective that comes in front of Schwein. So I have a nominative word, it's the subject of the sentence. It's neuter, I know that because it says das right there. Okay, that's going to give me a big hint. So I have nominative neuter, so my ending will be E. So it'll be das fette Schwein frisst. One more example together. If I have das Essen gefällt dem Schwein, so the food is pleasing to the pig, or the pig likes the food. Now remember, gefallen is a dative verb, and here I'm going to see dem. And I know that a neuter word can only be dem in the dative case. So I'm going to look down at my chart where I see neuter, dative, and I'm going to have an en ending. So here I'll have das Essen gefällt dem fetten Schwein. Wir machen noch ein Beispiel. So hier wir fangen an mit der Mann ist. Wir sagen, der Mann ist klug. Satz Nummer 2. Der Mann sitzt am Tisch. So first I have to decide what the subject of the sentence is. The man sits at the table. Man is the subject of the sentence because he is doing the sitting. Therefore, it's a nominative case. Now I need to decide if man is masculine, feminine, or neuter. I can look at my article for a hint if I don't know. So it says der. Der only shows up in the nominative case with a masculine word. So my ending will be an E. So I'll have der kluge Mann sitzt am Tisch. Okay, if I look at my last example, wir sprechen mit dem Mann. Mit is a dative preposition, and I know that for masculine words, dem only shows up in the dative case, so there's 2 hints for me to tell me what case it is. So now that I know that I have masculine dative, I'm going to look at my chart, first column. It's going to say masculine, go all the way down to dative where you see the der word ending, and it's going to be wir sprechen mit dem klugen Mann. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be doing some more examples of this. Right now what I want you to do is take that worksheet that you have, and we're going to go over that together a little bit. You're going to look through that and work on some of those examples. We'll review the top 5 examples tomorrow, which is all that you had to do for homework. And then from there we're going to practice a little bit more together. Okay, viel Glück und danke, dass du ein bisschen Deutsch gelernt hast. Bis morgen.